go over to this application called coinmarketcap.com, and I'm going to be showing you how to use it to spot these opportunities. Hopefully we could find one and probably take an advantage of it. So guys, this is coinmarketcap.com. So once you are at coinmarketcap.com, you're going to now scroll down, not really scrolling down. You're going to see where it says BAC, and there are also a couple of interfaces there like All Network, Solana, and if you scroll to the right hand side, you're going to see like a bunch of, network, a bunch of crypto networks. There are literally hundreds, if not thousands of them. So that's the more reason I'm going to select BSC in this scenario. So click on it and then you wait for the interface to pretty much open up. Once the interface is open up, your application is to pick any crypto from here. These are all cryptocurrencies built on different ecosystem, but BAC is implemented in the ecosystem. There are a bunch of them. So choose any one out of this list and then watch how you can go about spotting the differences. So in this case, based off of this video, we're going to be going for this very one called link. The more reason I'm going for that link is that, as you can see, link is ranked at number 2 and it has over 6.4 billion market capitalization. And if you should probably click on it, you get to realize that the volume there is probably over millions, if not billion. So link is probably very reputable in this situation. So the volume is about 368 million, as you can see there. So this kind of coin looks very good and it might possibly have the differences. That's the more reason you need to click on markets. This will help you confirm if the differences is there or not. The differences is the arbitrage opportunity we are looking for here. So once you are here, you're going to now check on Bybit, because like I've told you, we're going to be doing it based off of Bybit and Trust Wallet. So on Bybit, as you can see, the price of link is at 8.55, right? So we're going to be looking for that other one called Trust Wallet as well. So you probably need to go to the second page. There are a bunch of like pages there. So still look up the second page. If the exchange is not on the first one, so I'm still looking. I need to see some kind of like a Trust Wallet exchange, either PancakeSwap or Uniswap or the likes. So still on the fourth one, no results. I'm specifically looking for like PancakeSwap. So that's the more reason I'm still trying to navigate to see if I can spot one. So I think PancakeSwap is not on the list. This is where you need to look up another one. Don't worry, opportunities to come, but you just have to, okay, right now after so much back and forth up till the 13th page, we found an opportunity on PancakeSwap. The price is currently at 8.58. Remember the one on Bybit was at 8.55. So this probably tell you that Bybit is trading the link way lower, and this PancakeSwap via Trust Wallet is the one trading at a much higher price. So which practically now give us a clue to know where to buy low and sell high, because the overall aim of arbitrage is to spot an inefficiency like this, spot differences in prices like this, and pretty much implement those differences, and that's how you are going to turn your smaller amount to some substantial amount, or even more, depending on how you want to do it. Anyways, enough of all the talkings. Let us go through the implementation phase. And if you're watching the video up to this moment, do drop a like. It will really help out with the channel. Anyways, the mentorship is still ongoing on this very arbitrage trading. For those of you that want to get access to the mentorship, send a DM to my WhatsApp. I'm going to guide you through on how to get access to the mentorship. It is pretty much very straightforward. All you're going to be doing in the mentorship is to learn how to spot opportunities, arbitrage opportunities, as well as implementing those opportunities. But along the line, in some days, we do spot trading along the line, which is also good if you're looking to diversify. Anyways, let me now buy the link, because the overall concept says buy link. We're buying at 8.555, right? So that's where you need to put in your price and wait for its execution. Once the price has been executed, that's when you need to now transfer it over to PancakeSwap. I'm being a little too fast here, so I just need to chill out. And once you transfer it, you're going to be selling it on the other way around there. So the price that was shown to us on CoinMarketCap was 8.55. So always stick to the price you've seen. All the prices you've seen, stick to all those prices, because that's what is going to help you to, scale up from this. So let me put in a buy limit there, and I'm going to be waiting for a couple of minutes. This should take a few minutes, and it should be executed successfully. After a couple of minutes, I think it was successfully executed. So the aim is to now transfer it over to the other way around, and that's how we're going to be selling it and see how it goes. So I'm going to be clicking on assets, and let me now click on transfer, because you cannot transfer from your unified trading account. You can only transfer from your funding account to an external wallet. So I'm going to click on transfer, and I'll be transferring from the initial unified trading account to the funding account. So I'm going to switch up these arrows so it can be from unified to funding. I'm going to now select the coin to be linked, then I'm going to click on max, then confirm the overall thing, and it should now be available, which I'm going to now click on deposit and click on crypto withdrawal, or rather withdrawal via the on-chain crypto trust wallet. So this is when I'm going to now click on manage crypto, so I can copy my unique link wallet. So I'm going to now select link there. I'm going to now click on receive, and as you can see, the price is at 8.58. This is absolutely insane. You can see the differences. So this is what people pretty much do to take an advantage of cryptocurrency without having to do a whole lot of work.